Good day to all. William C. Maveli from India. Today, introducing another book and bookshelf program of Innovative Authors International Forum. The book is titled Phantoms of My Heart. Phantoms of My Heart is penned by Nahid Akhtar from Hyderabad, India. The author's name is Nahid Akhtar. Title of the book, Phantoms of My Heart. This is her first book, I understand, and it is published by Books Clinic Publications, and the book contains 155 pages, almost around 80 poems are enveloped in this book. When I encounter or when I go through these pages of this fabulous book, I understand our life exists on many levels. Some are real, some are just an illusion. It all depends on our own perspective, our own thinking. When we experience love, the real love, it may be a convinced feeling for us, which is very real, and on one level, it definitely is real. But it may be having very real impacts on our own feelings, our decisions, and our lives. But on another level, it is just a biochemical process which is taking place within our own brain. This is what I feel about as the first impression of this book. There is almost nothing in life. When we deeply think about life, there is nothing. There is almost nothing in life that cannot be seen as just an illusion, or at least one level real or another level unreal. Whether we all see things as real or just as an illusion, it is our own personal choice or selection. Both views are acceptable, and Nahid Akhtar's, the author, the poet Nahid Akhtar's, the poem, one of her poem is highly poetic and elegant. I shall read that lines. And an inexhaustible storehouse of breaths. Your existence unfailing extends. My brain seeks an answer. Who are you? You are wind, I confess. Embrace me, touch me. These are simple lines penned by honorable author Nahid Akhtar. It continues. My heart wants to find. Where are you? You are in me, I announce, alive after through. Then my brain and my heart smiles on me, unveiling we breathe, the breaths extends be. Your existence. The poem title is Your Existence. Is it real or is it imagined? Well, it all depends upon our level of awareness. When we wake up this morning, we may have remembered last night's dreams. They may have been wonderful or confusing, romantic or scary, it doesn't matter. As soon as we awake, we realize there were some just dreams yesterday night. So, in other words, life itself is an illusion for the poet, and the poet is trying to depict the illusionary thoughts and mind sets in this book, which is titled as Phantoms of My Heart. As compared to us seeing that or reading this book as our first book of poetry, I wish to congratulate her for bringing up this book through Books Clinic, the publishers, and I foresee that there is vibrant elements in this, dormant in this poet's pen, Keep writing, keep growing, honorable author, poet, Nahid Akhtar. Keep it up. Give more books from your wonderful golden pen. Wishing you all the best from Innovative Authors International Forum, The Bookshelf. I will display the book again, once again. Thank you. Thank you to all for listening. Bye to all. Love to all.